Hello people. So I was going on speaking and then suddenly I realized that it's not recording. So yeah, that was a bit odd. So I'm recording this after so long. I've been just posting these humpy videos. No, and I realized I need to speak loudly because I don't have any sophisticated equipment. So my voice finally doesn't get recorded. So then all that effort put into record a video is waste. And if I'm doing a recording at home, I might as well speak loudly, right? So anyway, so this book is called Ace Against Odds by Sania Mirza, and this book is, my god, yeah, you come to really appreciate the journey of Sania Mirza, like in terms of, honestly, I think like a sports person, much like how Sania Mirza says that apparently her dad would tell her that if if you train as a sports person, you know how to deal with life. Like there'll be failure and success, wins and losing and winning all happens within the course of a day when you're a sports person. So, and also I just like how I think Sania Mirza is very fortunate to have the parents that she has, because it's that single point dedication that both her parents showed to ensure that their daughter becomes a tennis superstar. So really people, you all should try and read this book. It's called Ace Against Odds, Sania Mirza, and the writer being Shivani Gupta. Her writing style is also, there's a certain flow to it, which is very nice, which is important when as a reader you are just hooked to that writing. So do try and read it people. It's called Ace Against Odds and you can find it on Amazon. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.